have any, ano ba yun, obligation na. Because I've already had my son. Nothing. Just stay here, sitting down. My dog is making some noise. Does he want to go everywhere? Sige. Ikot-ikot ka. Bahala ka sa buhay mo. Kasi makulit ka. Jack. Thank you so much, Chris, for staying there. Yes, I have Facebook page. Angela also Negreho. That I'm not active. Nothing. Nothing. I don't have my own Wi-Fi. I don't have my own Wi-Fi. So when there's Wi-Fi here, I connect from my sister house there. Or sometimes I pay some extender. So I can do some live and open my Facebook. But I'm not used to have on Facebook. I like YouTube than Facebook or any apps. Lagging? How about that? Still lag? That's Sige, Jack. Sige. Huwag mong kulitin yan. That's my pet. Jack and Jayco. Aray ko. How about that? Shout out sa inyo dyan. Comment kayo mga kamamis. Yes, that's my pet. That one is I just pick that one, pick it up. Ano ba yun? That's an stray dog. I pick him up in the along the street. Nobody was taking care of him, so I pick him up and bring him in my house. He's a sweet dog. Huwag kayo mag-away. Kau Jack ha? Jayco ha? Just 1 hour. 1 hour. I'm almost done, Chris. You can go na if you want to go na. If you want to go, you can go. I'm almost done. Thank you so much, Chris.